Hello ladies, here is a super quick bite-sized business tip for you. Now I was chatting to one of my members recently and we were going through what takes up a lot of her time during the course of the week, the day. And one thing was she said, I keep answering so many emails. I said, okay, what's the content? What questions are people asking you? When we look, they were common questions about her business. And it's so frustrating. They keep asking the same thing over and over again. So simple tip. Go through your emails, your messages that you get. And if you find there's a common theme, common questions are being asked, quite simply set up an FAQ on your website. Frequently asked questions. Ta-da! And then all you have to do, if somebody asks a question that is listed in there, is to direct them through to there. Say, pop over and have a read of this, send them the link. A lot of the time they'll be looking on your website to start with, particularly if you're getting this through your contact form from your website, common questions, it's obvious that people want to have an FAQ section on your site. So it's a really short, simple tip, but so often we don't do it. And I'm actually updating my site at the moment, and I'm going to be putting an FAQ on that because I've realised I don't have one myself. Luckily, I don't get asked that many questions that are recurring, but it's just such a simple thing to do. Okay, or even if you have a document, if you haven't got a website, you could set up an FAQ post on your social media page or have a document that you can just email back to people. But make life simple for yourself. Anything that is recurring that you can streamline, that's what you want to do to be able to cut down your time working on your business. Okay, if you've got any tips or you want a tip on anything, hit reply, let me know. Bye for now.